Have you ever wondered why your high quality pictures tend to lose their qualityness when you send your pictures to somebody or when you're downloading them on GB WhatsApp, that is? Here I'm going to show you the solutions on how to solve that problem within 2 minutes. Welcome guys to yet another video where we shall be talking about how to send high quality pictures on GB WhatsApp. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. First thing you have to do is to open WhatsApp. Then I rotate my video for you to see clearly. Then you press on the 3 dots there at the top, scroll down to settings. So there we'll see account, chats, notifications. So we have to search for storage and data. So there we'll press on it. Then continue scrolling down to where we'll find photo upload quality. So there we choose best quality to be sending the best quality pictures, not the blurry ones. So there it's done. Thank you. Now we go to files to see where we have the blurry photos, that is from GB WhatsApp. So you see that shows the blurry photos that we should delete them. These are because the photos are of low quality and appear blurry and uninteresting. So there we see, and these are the photos I sent to my friend after adjusting the quality to best quality photos. So you see the way they're looking very nice and professional. You see the way they're looking. These are the quails as I was capturing, and we compare from the blurry photos before, that is before tuning in the settings. So we press on this one, you see. So you see there it's of very low quality. So guys, you see, you've proved it on your own. This is just to show you how true this is. So you see there, these are the blurry photos, that is before changing the settings.